Good afternoon, everyone. I wanted to show y'all what we installed yesterday. We put in a sump pump drainage system for this area in the back of a house. The reason we did it, behind us here is uphill. The house is built up and the yard itself slopes together. So essentially we have a bowl here that we can't get water out of without mechanical removal. So we put in a pump to physically pump that water out down the side of the house and have it discharge elsewhere. There was a catch basin here that had a pump in it, and a bunch of debris had gotten in with the pump and burned up the pump. I don't like catch basin pumps because the pump cycles on and off quite a bit during a big rain, and it can burn up the pump. It can wear it out faster than it needs to. So as you'll see in the pictures here, we put in a reservoir with a pump, and then we put 2 catch basins on the side to feed into it. So now whenever it rains, instead of this area flooding with 6 inches of water, it will fall into these catch basins and pipe to the middle inside the reservoir and then physically be removed out via the pump. It's not very often that we have to do sump pumps, but in some cases the property is so flat I have no downhill fall to carry water away. This particular pump comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty and will move up to 90 gallons a minute. It's not very often we have to install sump pump drainage systems, but it is an option that's available if you need it. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day.